is a nice time to have s'mores stationed on your patio. The weather is crisp and a nice small fire can keep you warm.
Hi, my name is Cindy. Welcome to Z9Designs.
So sit back and watch while I set up for a moody evening. So keep watching. You just need the supplies, which I won at the end of a summer outing. The supplies needed include a blackboard frame and chalk pen, a s'mores kit, which I won, graham crackers, Hershey's dark chocolate, peanut butter cup, bonfire in a can, that's from City Fires, some bowls, marshmallows, cups. I have Hershey cups because that's what was in the package, hot chocolate, wood tray that I upgraded, and a metal tray that I painted black, and some paper tiles from the dollar spot at Target. First, let me give a shout out to City Bonfires. I did not know what to expect, but it more than met my expectations. It is safe, it heats up to 450 degrees, it is safe to cook on, it has 3 to 5 hours burn time, it is portable, it's very light, and has a 30-year shelf life. Now, you cannot use this in your home, but it is for outdoor use only in weather like we have here. I was given this large tray and decided it would be great for a s'mores setup. It was looking a little worn, so I decided to give it a quick spruce up by adding some paper tiles that I purchased a couple of years ago from Target's dollar spot. I laid the tiles down, but not permanently because I need to upgrade the wooden tray first. Once I got them down, I had a metal tray that I sprayed matte black. And the bonfire pan has to set on it because it gets really hot. So I put it on this metal tray. In addition, I opened up my s'mores kit and removed the contents, which were graham crackers, one Hershey dark chocolate bar, about maybe 6 marshmallows, and 2 cups for chocolate. Now I put them on little small plates and bowls. And of course, this was a small amount, so I had to purchase more of the ingredients. So I got some cinnamon graham crackers, I had some Reese's peanut butter cups and some more marshmallows. I put them on the marshmallows in a bowl, and I put the graham crackers on a little small plate, and then the chocolate and the Hershey's went on a separate plate. I also added some skewers for the marshmallows, and I had to have a lighter to get the fire going. And it was a little tough getting it going. It needed some really hot heat, and maybe I will try something else next time. But other than that, once the fire got going, wow, it was blazing and hot. I put my marshmallow on a skewer and into the fire, and whoop, it was toasty in seconds. And I put the marshmallows in between my chocolate and graham cracker, and it was the best s'mores I have had in a while. Now, I also had some hot chocolate, which I had, and it was mint chocolate, and it was very good because it was a cool night. And I was sharing this with a friend of mine. And after we had had our fill of marshmallows, I put the fire out. And the only thing you have to do to put the fire out is put the lid back on. Now, this may be used for a date night or with friends and family. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor with At Home with Lisa, Design with Emma, Jennifer at Home, Debbie Bubbles, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Lifestyle Begins with Teresa, Barbie Daily Rural Life, and me, z9designs. Be sure to use the hashtag Hot Beverage and S'mores Station. If you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe to my channel and join in the fun. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Threads, and TikTok. And thanks for watching. I appreciate all of my subscribers and those who are thinking about joining. All you need to do is hit the subscribe button and you can join this joyful family. And remember, worry is to joy what a Hoover vacuum cleaner is to dirt. Might as well attach your heart to a happiness sucker and flip the switch. This is by Max Lucardo. See you later. Bye.